Day two of the bathroom demo. We have the cutters here today.
Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Smart Wood Shop, the Paulk Smart Bench, the Paulk Smart Station, as well as all the accessories that work with the system. If you want to get a set of plans to build any or all of these for yourself, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Not only is the crew inside cutting up the slab so we can replace all of that old rotten cast, but Bullseye has opened up the trench all the way to the city connection. So we are going to carry the brand new PVC line all the way out. This is a very loud, messy procedure. Although this was a crack professional crew, when they left at the end of the day, it was very clean. I was very impressed with the work they were able to turn out and to complete the project in one day. Take note of this procedure. We're living here. It's very noisy. They came in this morning. The tile was intact, and now you see this pathway cut right through our house, dirt showing from underneath, and dirt all over the floor. So when you see it in a little bit here after they're gone for the day, just look at what they were able to do in a single day and how actually easy it was, considering it was a one-day job.
The guys are gone for the day. Their one team came in and cut all of this and hauled it off, and they cleaned up their slurry. And then the plumber hand dug out this. You can see the old water lines there and the old sewer there. All of that's going away. There's going to be no existing plumbing with one exception. There's 4 vent stacks that are these old casts, and they're going to be cut off somewhere in the wall and connected to, and they'll be cleaned from the roof down. That'll be all of the existing plumbing. Everything else will be brand new PVC. So this stuff will all be taken out. This is for the dryer. This was a retrofit for the washing machine. So there'll be a washer box. Of course, the electrical is being redone. We're moving the hot water tank from the garage out there to here. So this is going to have electric for it, and also it's going to be piped to here. All new PEX piping will be run in the ground, in the trench. This is the kitchen sink, the existing one. We lucked out here. We're not ready to remodel the kitchen, so we left the existing kitchen. As you saw in a previous video, I cut the bottom out and the back out. So we're gonna, the plumber stuff to chip out that direction. But again, new PEX lines, new drain lines. This is going to be a 3-inch drain here. I put this plywood down to cover this. This is a really big hole here. And I don't know if you can see it, the old cast there. This is what's failed. That's coming out. The water lines. It's going to be new PVC and PEX. And then into the guest bath. We're going to have a shower here instead of a tub. I stuffed a demo out to the wall. Take these windows out, frame those in. This is going to be one big shower. We're going to tile all the way up. We're going to put a can in here. This isn't a legal light over a tub or shower. And the pan is going to be set into the floor, so there's going to be no curb. So this will be a nice big shower, no curb. We're moving this is going away. Of course, this is the old cast. The new one is going to be moved over a few inches. And then we have a really cool freestanding cabinet that we've got here. Again, cast goes away and all PVC and PEX. Excited about that. At least if we're going to this expense, 100% of the plumbing is going to be replaced. Comes through the main closet here. And obviously these are walls here, and so they tunneled. They cut as close as they could, and then the plumber tunneled underneath. See the old stuff there. And then here, the old cast. This is the toilet. That's, I believe we're moving that a few inches as well. And then again, same with the shower. All this stuff goes out. That drain will be set in the center, and the pan will be built so that when the plumbers are done with it, it's going to slope to the drain, leave about 2 inches below the concrete top here. And then the tile guy is going to set his mud set, dry pack to it, and then do the tile, and the walls are going to be tiled all the way to the ceiling. I still have to remove this drywall. We have two cabinets going in, just like we had before. Sink is on that side, drawer bank on this side, and then we're going to do a solid top here, and I'll bust out the rest of this tile, and this will be solid sill as well. Not a wet area, so it doesn't matter. We just want to look at, and we haven't talked about whether we're going to put back in a nice medicine cabinet. We probably will. And there's a lot of electric going on too. So that's where we're at. So this is day one of the plumbing demo. You've seen my demos. There's a bunch of dirt. It's all hand dug. So Florida sand is interesting. It's dry. It's pretty easy to dig. Doesn't smell at all. I mean, we dug dirt up in Washington. You'd have a bit of a musty smell. Smell like dirt, and I just don't smell anything. No, I don't see any bugs crawling around in it. So that's pretty good. I was a little worried about that. And so there it is. Of course, all of this tile is going to come up. And I'm not sure that I'm up for the demo of that. I've checked into rental equipment, and I may do it. I may do some. I am going to remove the tile from this bathroom, from the other bathroom, and possibly from the laundry, because those areas are going to be finished. They're going to pour the concrete back in before I do that. But I did find a company that does dustless tile removal for a square footage price, which includes hauling the tile. And that's a big deal because it's a lot of weight, about 1,400 feet of tile. So I may sub that out and see what dustless tile removal looks like. Like I said, I'll get a little experience doing the two bathrooms and possibly this area here to get ready for this phase of work. The rest of it, we'll see how it goes. So there is a day in the life. Unexpected, expensive problem. But the good news is I'm going to stay positive, and we are going to say, hey, we got 1961 house. The plumbing is brand new all the way from the sewer. We're going all the way connecting to the city sewer with PVC, all the way into the house. Everything's new, all PEX.
If you get a chance, you have to check out our new t-shirts. It's got the Smart Wood Shop under a palm tree in the shade with a couple of surfboards, kind of like that old classic Volkswagen van that I'm so enamored with. If you're enjoying this major remodel series we're doing on this house here in Venice, Florida, then just take a second and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. But also when you subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell so that when I put up a new video, and there will be lots of them, I promise you, then YouTube will let you know when I put it up. And also, if you'd like to financially support our efforts, there's a number of ways you can do that. One is obviously by purchasing any of our Polk Smart plans, our t-shirts, our mugs, and those kind of things, as well as using our affiliate links you can find in the link down below to our website. And we have a number of affiliates we work with where they will let you purchase things for the same price that they would every day, but they share a little bit with us. And finally, there's a new thank you button here available on all of my videos down below. So if you hit that, it gives you an opportunity to just financially support us. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.